Glacier Raft Company welcomes you to the Kicking Horse River in beautiful Golden, BC. Our Kicking Horse Challenge trip is the thrill of a lifetime, set in the picturesque Rocky Mountains. After a morning introduction, getting geared up, an entertaining bus ride, and riverside safety briefing, we start off with a scenic float through the beautiful Beaverfoot Valley. A gradual start to the day where we get to know our team and hone our rafting skills. This is the scenic float section of the Kicking Horse River that winds us through a series of curves until we reach the first stretch of whitewater. To whet our appetites, we go through Cable Car Rapid and the always impressive Hopi's Hole. Right before we pull over for a riverside barbecue lunch. Steak, chicken breast, fish or veggie burgers, Caesar salad, veggies and dip, chips and salsa, potato or pasta salad. It is a feast to remember. Top it off with baked goodies and fruit. We are ready to hit the river again for 2 more 1-hour-long sections of Class 3 and 4 whitewater. Our photographer is ready and our guides are filming as we hit Portage Shotgun, a thrilling Class 4 section in the Middle Canyon. We continue crashing our way through wave after wave, and the smiles keep getting bigger and bigger. We finish the Middle Canyon off with a bang. Roller coaster, a series of large waves right down the middle of the river. Followed by Twin Towers and our signature photo rapid last waltz. Make sure to smile for the camera. We take out at the new Kicking Horse rest area, and depending on water levels, we drive a couple of kilometers around an unraftable section of the river to our lower canyon put-in. Or, during high water when the waves are huge, we head back up and run the Middle Canyon once more. This lower canyon of the Kicking Horse River is world famous for 3 kilometers of continuous Class 4 whitewater, surrounded by high, tight canyon walls and undisturbed forest. Your now experienced team and very professional guide will navigate your raft to the best section of whitewater in British Columbia. After the rush of the Lower Canyon whitewater, you can relax once again as we exit the canyon walls and float through the town of Golden. A great opportunity to go for a swim, soak up the sun, or chat about surrounding mountains, paragliders, and where to grab a drink after. We return to our riverside base mid-afternoon, get everyone changed, and pass out a refreshing beverage so we can have a cheers to celebrate the great day. Photo and video viewing takes place as we share tales of our trip down the mighty Kicking Horse River. Glacier Raft Company has been rafting the Kicking Horse River since 1982. Our local guides and customer care are just a couple of the reasons why we stand out from the rest.